Nani diluting it with water. She used to dilute it with water. Absolutely. And that is the right way. अब हम dilute करना वैसे तो पसंद करेंगे नहीं. What we can do is bottle को ठंडा ना करो, उसमें बर्फ ऐड करो. ठीक है? So that will reduce the amount of sugar in it. Add soda. Absolutely. I think we can save the discussions for the time after the session. I have lots of things to tell you. I might skip those once I engage in conversation like this. But let me continue with my workshop and whatever I want to tell you, whether it is going to escape from my mind. I'm not having any sugar today. I need energy. So, as I was telling you, our cold drinks have got 10 to 11% sugar. And if you want to have cold drink, what you do is you dilute it either by adding soda or by putting ice in it, okay, or water if you want. If you can enjoy the taste of that cold drink, it is fine. Next thing is, I have often seen people telling me, मैं cold drink बिल्कुल नहीं पीता, मैं cold drink बिल्कुल नहीं पीता, ठीक है? And the second moment, I see them having rasgulla or barfi. ठीक है? You know how much of amount of sugar barfi or rasgulla has? All our mithais have got 30% of sugar in them. 30%. And all chashni wali mithai has got 50% sugar in it. What does it have? 50% of sugar. Please reduce the amount of sugar that you are having every day. Okay? And I know sugar is addictive. Sugar is addictive. It is very difficult to leave sugar. But I can promise you with something which can help you in weaning off the sugar. If you leave sugar for 3 months, what happens is new taste buds they develop. Okay? And these new taste buds will not make you crave for more and more sugar. Have you ever noticed the gyms or weight loss packages offered by doctors? Have you ever noticed? They always offer packages for 3 months. 3 महीने के पैकेज होते हैं. That's the reason. 3 महीने में आपको इतनी आदत डाल देंगे कम शुगर खाने की कि आगे आप ट्रेंड हो जाओगे. You will not be craving sugar as you used to crave earlier. Okay?
Jaggery ले लो उसके बदले जाए.
Jaggery, yes. I'm coming to that. You can replace your sugar with good. Replace your atta with choker वाला आटा and very important. हम क्या करते हैं? हम packed वाले लेके आते हैं. And I must tell you, packed atta is totally devoid of fiber. It is all मैदा. So राशन वाले गेहूँ लेके वो चक्की से पिसवा लेना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Instead of buying those packed Pillsbury or Ahar or whatever you call it, ठीक है? And और फिर दूसरा ऑप्शन अगर ये नहीं कर सकते तो चोकर बाहर से लाके उसमें ला दो, ठीक है? आटा छानना नहीं. पिसवा के भी आटे को छानना नहीं है. पिसवा के आटे को छानना नहीं है, ठीक है? Switch to jaggery wherever you can. खीर बनाते हो, jaggery वाली खीर बना लो, ठीक है? और आजकल तो चाय का भी बड़ा चलन है. You have गुड़ वाली चाय, ठीक है? Very good.
नहीं आप बताइए कैसे
अल्पाहार. हमारी जो हिंदू माइथोलॉजी है वो हर चीज में कहती है अल्पाहार होना चाहिए, कम से कम खाओ, ठीक है? और एक और चीज है which is called as गुड़माल. गुड़माल की लीव्स होती हैं, 100 रुपए किलो के आसपास मिलती है, ठीक है? अगर वो खा लो तो क्या होता है, आपके मुंह की उसकी जो सिक्रेशन जो बाद में निकलती है ना, तो आपको कुछ मीठा नहीं फील होता है. मतलब अगर आपको कुछ खाने का घर में कुछ पड़ा हुआ मीठा, ठीक है, गुड़माल की लीफ जनरली लोग पानी में डाल के खा लो. अगर उसके बाद अगर आपको रसगुल्ला सर्व किया जाएगा आपको अच्छा लगेगा. आप एक बाइट खाओगे मीठा नहीं है, छोड़ दो, कड़वा नहीं लगेगा, मीठा नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज मीठे का टेस्ट नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? और ये टेस्ट बड्स जो शुगर की कब डेवलप होती है? जब बच्चा 5 से 6 साल का है, तभी से रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना। बचपन से क्यों होती है? आपने कभी देखा है कोई बच्चे को काम कराना हो तो क्या बोलते हैं? बच्चे ये खा ले तो चॉकलेट दूंगा। कभी कहा मैं तेरे को नमक दूंगा? नहीं बोलते ना, यही बोलते हैं ना, देखो चॉकलेट दूंगा, है ना। और इसलिए हमें क्या करना है, और कभी हम कहते हैं, एक और सेंस मुझे याद आ रही है, मैंने तेरा नमक खाया है, कभी नहीं कहते मैंने तेरी चीनी खाई है ना। हिंदू माइथोलॉजी और हमारा हिंदू कल्चर जो है ना, सब बिल्कुल सही ट्रैक पे था, हमने इसको गलत कर दिया। ठीक है, तो हमें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करनी है शुगर राइट फ्रॉम 4 to 6 years of age। और एक और बात, एक और सही है, मुझे कुछ और नहीं आता। बोलते हैं ना, जितना दाना पानी लिखा हो उतना खा के जाओगे, ठीक है, तो कम खाओगे तो जल्दी नहीं मरोगे। ठीक है, दाना पानी नहीं पूरा होगा तो मरोगे कैसे? कम खाओ, अल्पाहार में खाओ। ओके, so this was about sugar. Coming on to the next culprit, which is salt. Salt. वो तो एक different story हो गई। I'm talking about healthy people. Next, please. Can I request silence, please? Again, I'm telling you that stay back after school if you don't let me finish, because I am not going to stop unless until I tell you everything. Okay? So salt is, Indian food is traditionally very rich in salt. हमारे खाने में नमक बहुत, ठीक है। और क्यों होता है? अगर आप मेडिटेरेनियन डाइट देखो, नमक डालते हैं ज़्यादा, नहीं कम डालते हैं। क्या करते हैं उसमें? हर्ब्स, स्पाइसेस डाल देते हैं, नमक कम होगा, लेमन डाल देंगे, नमक कम, ठीक है। और उसके साथ हमारी क्या आदत है? विद आवर फूड वी वांट रेसिपी आल्सो, अचार, पापड़ एंड चटनी हर जगह चाहिए। अचार भी चाहिए, या अचार हो या पापड़ हो या चटनी हो, इसके बिना हम खाना नहीं खाते। तो दे आर अगेन even richer in salt. So we have to restrict our salt because salt is again a pro-inflammatory. Okay? हम restrict कैसे कर सकते हैं? By either reducing the salt. Reducing the salt means नमक कम डालूं मैं हर चीज में। और कितना recommended होना चाहिए? It is approximately 6 grams per day. 5 ग्राम 1 चम्मच है, 1 चम्मच। तो अगर मैं याद रखने के लिए सारे दिन में 1 चम्मच से ज्यादा नमक नहीं डालना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो रिस्ट्रिक्ट कैसे कर सकते हो? मेरा तो टेस्ट बट डेवलप हुआ, सॉल्ट का आदत पड़ी हुई है, कैसे रिस्ट्रिक्ट करूँ? और सॉल्ट का मतलब है, जब मैं सॉल्ट कहती हूँ उसका मतलब है एनीथिंग व्हिच कंटेन्स सोडियम इन इट। सॉल्ट इज व्हाट केमिकली NaCl, ठीक है, व्हिच कंटेन्स सोडियम इन इट। सो मीठा सोडा व्हिच इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज आल्सो सॉल्ट। ओके, तो मीठा सोडा रिस्ट्रिक्ट, ठीक है। अब कैसे रिस्ट्रिक्ट करूंगी मैं उसको?
दही में डालो, सैलेड में मत डालो,
एब्सोल्युटली, चटनियां मत खाओ, अचार पापड़ कम खाओ, ठीक है। और दही में एक्स्ट्रा टेबल सॉल्ट जिसको हम कहते हैं, सैलेड के ऊपर डालना, दही के ऊपर डालना, उसको कम कर दूँ, वो बहुत रिड्यूस होता है, ठीक है। खाने में नमक कैसे कम करूँ? मुझे टेस्ट नहीं आता, कैसे कम करूँगा?
अरे सेना वाला खा लो, सेना।
I'm coming over to that. There is a salt which is called as Luna salt. That is low sodium, where sodium is replaced by potassium. So you can use that. Okay? But again, excess of everything is bad. Don't completely switch over to that. You have to restrict your salt. That is a better way rather than alternating it with a low sodium salt. Don't do it without your doctors, without consultation with your doctors. Okay? And what you can do, one more thing that you can do is, you can add some more things. Make your food more spicy. जब स्पाइसी बनाओगे ना, मिर्ची ज्यादा होगी तो नमक कम है, पता नहीं लगता, ठीक है। लोग हरी मिर्ची खाते थे पहले साथ में, ठीक है। What you can do is with your food add astringent and pungent foods. Astringent food क्या है? प्याज और लहसुन और गार्लिक, अदरक एंड मूली, ये सब चीजें कर लो। नमक कम लग रहा है तो नींबू निचोड़। लेमन इज अ वेरी गुड रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर सॉल्ट, ठीक है। पंजेंट फूड इज हरी मिर्च, लाल मिर्च, काली मिर्च। इनके साथ भी अगर आप अपना फूड लोगे तो आपको नीड जो है सॉल्ट की कम होगी, ठीक है। तो दिस वाज अबाउट सॉल्ट। नेक्स्ट इज, आई थिंक वी नो ऑफ दिस कल्प्रिट वेरी वेल। हम सबको पता है, वी आर वेरी वरीड अबाउट आवर फैट इनटेक, ठीक है। बट आई एम गोइंग टू कम टू सम अलार्मिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट फैट्स। फैट्स पहले तो ये समझ लो कितने प्रकार के। How many types of fats are there? There are 3 types of fats. First is saturated, second is trans fats, the third is unsaturated. Unsaturated are further divided into monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. This much is okay for you to remember. You should not remember anything else. How to differentiate between a saturated fat and an unsaturated fat, and how to know which is trans fat? Because I am going to tell you which is the worst of all, which should be made 0. Okay? Trans fats should be made 0. How would you differentiate? How would you know whether it is a saturated fat, unsaturated fat, or a trans fat? A saturated fat is solid at room temperature. Can you give me some examples of anything which is solid at room temperature? Coconut oil, yes. Butter, ghee, and coconut oil or creams in, बिल्कुल they are solid. और butter, ठीक है ना? Margarine is what? वो रब कर करके आपके बटर को बनाई जाती है, बटर और क्रीम्स को रब करके, and they are used as shortenings in cakes and pastries. So saturated fat is not very good for us. Not very good, I'm saying. I'm not saying it should be made 0. It is not very good. Too much of it is not very good. Too much of it is not very good. So, and then coming on to trans fats. Trans fats, why are they called trans fats? Because what happens is these fats are passed under high pressure through hydrogen. Now you would ask me, why are they passed through hydrogen? Because it increases the shelf life of these fats. कितनी मर्जी देर पड़ा रहे खराब नहीं होगा, ठीक है? इसलिए and they don't make the food appear greasy. जो जितने छोले भटूरे खाते हो ना बाहर हल्दीराम के, जो greasy नहीं लगते हैं, वो इसलिए नहीं लगते हैं वो trans fat में डले होते हैं. और जो मैकडॉनल्ड्स की फ्राइज खाते हो, they make the food tastier also. They make it crisp. जो ट्रांस फैट्स है वो क्रिस्प बनाते हैं. अगर आप कभी लोकल कचौड़ी वाले समोसे वाले के पास जाओगे वो सब डालडा यूज करते हैं. एंड डालडा इज नथिंग बट वनस्पति एंड डालडा आर नथिंग बट ट्रांस फैट्स. मैकडॉनल्ड्स हैव come out with a policy of using zero trans fats, and I'm sure आपको कुछ ना कुछ टेस्ट में चेंज लगा होगा सिर्फ इसकी वजह से, because now they are not using trans fats. ट्रांस फैट्स हर चीज को क्रिस्पी बनाते हैं. आई रिमेंबर एक बार मैंने अपने स्कूल में कैंटीन वाले से बात करी. आई वाज लुकिंग एट हिज वाइफ क्या यूज करता है. तो कहता है मैडम आपको एक बात बताऊं, हमेशा ना ये सब चीजें, ही डजंट नो द बेसिक थिंग बिहाइंड इट. कहते हैं आप कभी भी देखो ये सब चीजें डालने में मिर्ची, आप मेरे को रिफाइंड में बनाने का नाम. हमेशा जितने भी लोकल वो लोग हैं ना डालने बनाते हैं वो ज़्यादा टेस्टी होते हैं. और टेस्टी इसलिए होती है क्योंकि क्रिस्प ज़्यादा, शेल्फ लाइफ ज़्यादा. जो मार्केट में हमें कचौड़ियाँ बनी मिलती हैं और हम रखे रखते हैं अपने घर में, रख इसलिए सकते हैं क्योंकि दे आर ऑल मेड इन ट्रांस फैट्स व्हिच हैव गॉट a lot of shelf life. Okay? So what we need to restrict is make trans fats 0, and we can have an adequate combination of saturated and unsaturated. Unsaturated fats can which are liquid at room temperature. जो हम normally oils use करते हैं. कौन से oils use करते हैं? Refined oils. कौन से होते हैं? Mono unsaturated oils होते हैं. Mono unsaturated are better. जैसे कि olive oil, peanut oil, canola. ठीक है? These are mono unsaturated oils. And polyunsaturated oils are sunflower, corn oil, sesame oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil, talk of any other oil which is refined. They're all polyunsaturated. And mustard oil, for your information, is a combination of both mono and polyunsaturated. It has got a little bit of saturated oil, but it's a healthy mix. It's a healthy mix. Okay? तो गरीबों के लिए अगर मैं बोलूँ और for middle class,
हम गरीब हो गए.
For middle class, we will stick to what we will try and stick to is all kinds of refined oils. ठीक है? But people who are rich can afford olive oil also. And otherwise, I think everybody can afford it. So you can switch over to olive oil. But again, our taste buds are not built for using olive oil. We are used to having Indian traditional food. So best is we have a healthy variety of all oils, because some oil will be missing on something, the other will be missing on that thing. And so what we need to do is have a variety of oils. If I buy oil for myself, what I do is, instead of buying a 5-liter can and trying to save some money on it, I'll buy 1 liter of each. सबके 1 liter. And जो हमारी मम्मियाँ नानियाँ दादियाँ बनाती थी खाना, कि दाल को देसी घी में बनाना है, वैसे वाली सब्जी है इसमें बनानी है, और सूखी सब्जी है वो मस्टर्ड ऑयल में बनानी है, मेथी ऑयल. Please try and follow that, because that way you will be following the healthy pattern of oil consumption. You will be consuming all types of oil, but trans fats, please make it zero. उसको निकाल दो अपने से. And again, next. So what is the recommended intake? I am talking about the recommended intake. It means more than 15 ml per day per person. तो अपने घर में जो तेल लाते हो उसको कैलकुलेट करने का आसान फॉर्मूला ये है, आधा किलो हर पर्सन के हिसाब से लेके आया करो. अगर उससे ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है इसका मतलब बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है.
आधा किलो पर मंथ,
पर पर्सन के हिसाब से पर मंथ. ठीक है. अगर इफ इट इज अ फैमिली ऑफ 4 people, दैट मींस यू शुड कंज्यूम ओनली 2 kg ऑफ ऑयल, इंक्लूडिंग, मैं खाली उसके रिफाइंड ऑयल की बात नहीं कर रही, इंक्लूडिंग योर देसी घी, इंक्लूडिंग योर मस्टर्ड ऑयल, सारे ऑयल जो भी यूज करते हो. ठीक है. यू शुड नॉट कंज्यूम मोर देन 2 kg. ठीक है. So that is the staple formula of remembering how much of oil you should use. And another important thing which I need to tell you is, please do not reuse oil that has been used for frying. Frying के बाद उसके अंदर बहुत सारे harmful chemicals आ जाते हैं, because frying causes oxygenation of oils and it gets harmful chemicals in it. Okay? So don't try and reuse your oil which has been used for frying. Too much of repeated use नहीं होना चाहिए. उसी टाइम फिर भी safe. Repeated use तो और भी oxidation करता है. ठीक है. Next is, as I said, use variety of oils. We all know lack of exercise. We all have sedentary lifestyle. हिलते नहीं है, बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है. So what we need to do is, we need to exercise at least 80 minutes in a day. ठीक है. of walking. ठीक है. अगर brisk walk की बात करूं, 80
every week
और नहीं है, नहीं ये उसी की elaboration. 80 minutes of exercise every day and every week it should amount to around 80 what? 80 minutes. And during that brisk walk, it is important that we remember that we take at least 80 steps per minute. ऐसे brisk walk का मतलब है 80 steps in a minute. Okay? This is the recommended value. Next please. और हम क्या करते हैं? हम कहते हैं हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. We don't have time for all this. So what we have to do is we have to find out ways in which we can use this time. For example, one most important use of time that I am doing here is I am pacing here. मैं आगे पीछे जा रही हूँ. What I am trying to do is I am trying to be active because my lifestyle again is very sedentary. I have to sit on the desk, examine patients, give them medicine. So I am not very mobile. So I am trying to make best use of this time. Another way in which you can use time like this is while you are talking in the mobile. Class में तो आप जाते हैं, आप move करते हैं. You can move in the class. Instead of standing here, you can keep on moving among the children and keep talking to them. And while using a mobile at home, don't sit. ठीक है. मोबाइल आपको ज़माना तो है नहीं कि वो तार वाला फोन है उसके साथ चिपक के बैठना है और बात करनी है. All about mobile. What are the mobiles for? They are being made to make your life easier, to make you more active. So use your phone while walking. So talk while you walk. Okay? It should be that much. And third thing is, if you can afford, please leave your car or whatever vehicle you are coming on to school a kilometer away and then walk from there.
स्कूल कर रहे हैं, हमें तो वैसे स्कूल करना है.
बिल्कुल. And walk from there. It will be a forced walk for all. So we have to generate things like this for us. I can give you a small example which I have done myself. I can give you a small example which I have done myself in my medical home. See, I don't have to walk too much. There's not too much of walking in my home. Because every now and then patients are coming to me, children coming, even if I have to do medical checkup, I have to sit there. So what I have done is, I have kept my Almira farther away from me. There are 2 Almiras in my room. So the one next to Divya is not mine. The one next to Divya is mine, and the one next to me is Divya's. So that we walk another few steps. It's just a few steps. Obviously, regular activity is better than anything which is done like this, but then something is better than nothing. So whatever way you can find to improvise your activity, you can try and do that. Next, you would always say, you all must be feeling pollution का क्या रोल है भाई? ये तो सारी बातें कर रही, जो कुछ गलत है वो सारी बातें. But pollution has got a major role. Air pollution and noise pollution both can cause a lot of problem to our heart. if you see when you are in a very polluted, noise polluted environment, जब आप पार्टी में जाते हो तो क्या होता है, बहुत तेज नॉइज होती है, आपने कभी नोट किया, आपकी धड़कन बढ़ जाती है एकदम, your heart rate becomes very fast, heart rate becomes fast and you might even sometimes have घबराहट, anxiety pollution. So try and stay out of noise pollution, and especially where there is more than 80 decibels of noise. I think you will ask me कि ये कैसे पता लगेगा 80 decibels है या नहीं? There are apps on iPhones, you know, and other phones also, Android phones also, which tell you whether the pollution level, noise pollution level is more than 80 or not. And air pollution is again a culprit. It causes again, it is a pro-inflammatory kind of condition. जब particulate matter ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं 2.5 and 3.5 होगा, then it again tells on your heart. It causes atherosclerosis, it causes heart attacks. So we have to stay away from polluted environments, especially when going to parties. And again, if you want to know, if you are going to a place and you want to know कि इसका pollution level क्या है, you can check the DPPC website. It will tell you the level of pollution in that place. Okay? So these are the ways in which you can find out what place has got how much of pollution levels. And if you are staying very close to a place which has got huge traffic inflow, what you can do is close your doors and windows before you sleep. Use earplugs. That's a very common way in which you can reduce your noise pollution levels, which affect your ear. So that was about pollution. Next, smoking and alcohol. Not very important in Indian context, but still I would like to tell you because we have got husbands, we have got brothers, we have got children at home, boys especially. But I think the scenario is changing very fast. I have seen girls smoking and having alcohol. We are aping the West and they are moving towards their culture. Smoking should be zero. If you have never smoked, kudos for you. If you have quit smoking, excellent. But if you smoke, please quit it now. Say now to it. No to it now. Okay? Because nicotine is again a pro-inflammatory and it does not just affect one organ like, majorly one organ like alcohol. It affects all the organs. It's even more harmful than alcohol. Okay? So alcohol, coming to alcohol. Alcohol, this is for information and you can pass on the information to your kids and kins also. Since I am referring so much to Vedic sciences, I think most of you would say कि Vedic sciences में सुर और सुरा दोनों का वर्णन है ना? तो वहाँ तो allowed था, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने again they have mentioned they should be taken as अल्पाहार. Quantity कम होना चाहिए. Medical literature also permits taking alcohol in certain quantities as a relaxant. ठीक है? Now what is that quantity? I would like to know. It permits it. I'm sorry I wrote here recommended. I have changed my this word in my actual presentation. I was not able to change it here. I would not say it is recommended, it is permitted. Medically permitted is this much. In men, around 6 grams, which makes it how much? 18 ml of whiskey, 40% whiskey. 40% की whiskey, 18 ml लोगे तो वो recommended है. Females में 6 ग्राम से आधा हो जाएगा, 3 ग्राम हो जाएगा. और 18 ml I am coming to that. It has 30 ml. I am coming to that. And women should not have more than 3 grams, which is around 9 ml of 40% whiskey. But there is a very big but. हमारा जो एक Indian peg होता है, that is around 30 ml. पटियाला नहीं है, I am talking about normal peg. That is around 30 ml. As far as I know, Arpit would be able to tell. Yes. Okay, then I am the authority here. It is 30 ml only. Harmful dose is 30 ml if taken in a shorter period of time, in less than 1 hour. ठीक है? And maximum which you can take is 2 pegs, Indian pegs, that is around 60 ml, and within a shorter span, I mean lesser than 2 hours. If you take that in lesser than 2 hours, then it is harmful for your body. And what we are actually doing in parties? Binge alcohol drinking. Binge alcohol drinking. 1 घंटे में 5 पैक नीचे उतार दिए, है ना? 2 घंटे में पता नहीं कितने हो गए, पूरे दिन में 6, पूरे दिन में 5, है ना? और किसी से पूछोगे ना कितनी पीते हो, वो बोलेगा 2 पैक से ऊपर नहीं पीता, क्योंकि 2 पैक के बाद याद ही नहीं रहता कितनी पी है, है पीने गए, that is binge alcohol drinking. Okay. Coming on to accompanying food, it is very important what food accompanies you with the drink. Mediterranean diet is best. What does a Mediterranean diet have? Fish. What else? It is more of fruits and salads and topped with olive oil, है ना? And herbs, no salt, है ना? They are blanched, है ना? So that is the best heavy food which should be accompanied with your drink. And one more thing, Mediterranean food में जो drink लेते हैं, that is only red wine. They don't have whiskey. Red wine only. And they have that as supper. I remember having attended a party in US. Okay, it was a social gathering, actually a wedding ceremony, and they actually kept alcohol to be taken only from 5 to 6 p.m. After that, it was supper, and though no alcohol served after. हमारे साथ उल्टा वैदिक लिटरेचर में भी क्या कहा गया कि जितने फर्मेंटेड फूड्स हैं, मैंने पहले भी बोला, दे शुड नॉट बी टेकन आफ्टर 9 p.m. एंड वाइन क्या है, विस्की क्या है, इट इज फर्मेंटेड ग्रेप जूस, है ना? सो नथिंग बियॉन्ड 9 p.m. हमारा वैदिक लिटरेचर, वैदिक साइंसेस बहुत अच्छे हैं हेल्थ वाइज, इफ वी एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड देम एंड फॉलो देम. ओके, सो वी मस्ट रिमेंबर selection of whiskey is also very important. Selection of not whiskey, selection of drink. Whiskey is more harmful than beer, and beer is more harmful than, I'm about to finish. Beer is more harmful than red wine. So next please. Last point which you all need to, please, I'm about to finish. Please say no to stress and take it easy. Whenever you can, find out a way which will de-stress you. Please, everybody, please, I request you to please be silent for another 5 minutes. I'm about to stop. ठीक है? After that, you can release your eyes. Okay. So you have to find out a way. You have to find out a way where you can unwind yourself, either by yoga, by meditation, or find out activities which unwind you after work. You need to unwind after work. It is very important. And I was going through the net, browsing through the net, and I came across this recommendation which I want to share with you. Monday, this will de-stress you. It was a kind of recommendation. Monday, please keep for non-violent communication. किसी क्लास के बच्चे को डांट नहीं मारना. Tuesday, confession. अगर डांट मारी तो मिसेस जावाज को आके बता देना. अगर पिछला है तो मैं बता दूँ. Wednesday, give a gift. So I'll wait for a gift on Wednesday. Sorry. Jokes apart, gift can be either, it's not physically gift, you can gift with saying thank you, or you can smile, or you can praise somebody. That is also a big gift. Okay. So keep it for giving gifts. Thursday, you can think differently, think out of the box, think be creative. Friday, enjoy nature. And Saturday, keep for charity and wellness for others' sake. And last, Sunday, मैं साधुओं से कभी-कभी अल्लाह भी कर लेती हूँ, मंदिर मस्जिद में जाके पूजा पाठ भी कर लेती हूँ, पर कहीं खुदा ना बन जाऊँ, इसीलिए कभी-कभी पाप या चीटिंग भी कर लेती हूँ. Cheating day, you can cheat on that day, have whatever you want. And to sum it up all, please, to sum it up all, next please, to sum it up all, I would tell you a formula for 80. Just remember this formula to keep yourself healthy and to prevent heart attacks. Formula of 80 states, keep your diastolic blood pressure under 80. Keep your waistline, we are all females, abdominal circumference under 80 centimeters. Keep your fasting blood sugar under 80 millimeters of mercury, fasting sugar 80 milligram%. Then keep your LDL cholesterol below 80. Keep your resting heart rate below 80. And eat not more than 80 grams or 80 ml of caloric food in one meal or at once. Next please. And take vitamin D. If you remember last time I took a workshop on vitamin D, I said you should take it at least 80 days in a year. Consume at least